Hey, what's up guys? So everyone asks when you're cleaning the chopper, where do you start? So I always start with the boom and the tail rotors. What I do is just clean them with the all-purpose cleaner, then come back and neutralize them, whether you're doing a wet wash, dry wash, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty simple. These things just get really sooty. They're flying at low elevation, burn a lot of fuel. It just dumps right on the boom. And if you don't maintain them, you start having oxidation, paint starts peeling, looks like crap, takes longer for us to clean. So yeah, and a lot of these parts are, need to be working right? So anyways, just thought I'd share that. That's how I get started on a helicopter. We'll do some more here in the future. Just haven't had a chance to hop on helicopters too much for you guys yet. All right.